Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the functionality that how multiple members can sign up or log in. Alright, so this is the same thing that I have applied in the user sign up page, but this functionality I will be applying in the member page also. So as you can see here that I'm currently present in the setMember.go file, and inside this file I have done these things that when the member will log in and after that when the member want to show the information will be shown up to him by showing the account name and the email and password. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the signup.go file and I will take some of the credentials from here. So what I will do, I will first of all take the hash value, because the password is not converted in the setMember.go file into hash value. So what I will do, I will paste the hash value, and after that let's write sign up. Instead of sign up I will write pass member. Also this is not a sign up password, instead this is the member password. So after that let's take this what you can say this sign up credentials. So instead of writing sign up credentials I will name it member credentials. All right, so yeah, after that I will rename it after that, but first of all let me just copy these things. And as you can see here that these are some of the things that I'm going to copy from here. So let's take a look at them like this. All right, so let's copy it and now let's paste it down here like this. All right, so now you can see that this is the set credentials and this is the sign up credential, and after that this is the login token. So maybe I have done the login token before, so it is not present, so I will write member login token, and this is the account name, this is the, alright, so member login token is already present, sorry, and this member login token is already present by this name, and the account name is this one, so I don't need to use this account name. And after that this is the full name, so I don't need to give the full name, instead I will just remove it. And after that this is the email, password, login token, and the account name. So let's copy this from here and put it up here like this. And now you can see that this is the Redis sign up full name, so I will remove this full name because I don't need it. So let's remove this. And as you can see here that these are some of the things that are giving me error. But before this, as you can see, the total column is also not present. So I will take the total column from here and paste it down here like this. All right. So now I need to rename these things, like as you can see that this is a sign up. So I need to select all the signups like this, this one, this one, this one. All right. So let's take these things also. Now let's write member. All right, so let's write Redis member account name, and this will be member's credential, or let's write member credentials. This is also going to be the member credentials like this. And this is not going to be in capital letter, instead it will be MM, small letter, this M, and this is M. Alright, so now you can see that this is the Redis member account name. So it is giving me an error because this name is not present maybe, but I need to write it like this. Sorry about that, like this. Alright, so it will take the first email address when the user will log in. So the first email address or the first password or the first account name will be taken from the it will be set, and basically they are gotten from here, as you can see here, from the get credentials. If I show you the get credentials, let me just open it for you. Yeah, this is the get credentials that will basically include the range of email address, the passwords, then full names and the account name. So it will take the first email address, the password and the name that will basically just logged in currently. So it will take only the current email or the password or the account name that is logged in. So it will be present in the first one. Alright, so let's take a look at this login token. So I need to change this from login token. Alright, so member login token, both of them are present here. Alright. So these are some of the processes that I have discussed in my previous videos. If you are not aware of them, you can watch my previous video. So in this video, if I explain these things, it will take a lot of time. So yeah, let's check them out. And now what I need to do, I need to write the hash pass here also, because Once the user updates the password, this password will be updated in the form of hash values, not an ordinary password. So after that, let's go to the login.go file, and inside this login.go file, what I will do, I will take this if statement, from here, from login token, and once it is taken, what I will do, I will write it like this, paste it here, and remove the else statement from here because I don't need it. Alright, and this is the member login token instead of the login token, like this. This is also going to be the member login token. And after that, as you can see that this is the sign up, so I will change it to members like this. And once it is done, what I will do, I will change the sign up to member like this. As you can see that there are multiple signups, so I will select all of them, Control D, Control D. Alright, so let's write members, full name like this. And after that, let's write, as you can see that this is the member login token, so I will write member login token here. Now it will not give me any error. And once they are done, as you can see that this is the login token, so I will write it member login token instead of the login token, and this will be the account full name. So I will delete this account full name because I don't need it, so I will remove this from here also. Alright, and once it is done, what I will do, I will remove this if statement and these things because they are not required in order to verify, because account will be verified in the check functionality when I will be working on. So I have done this thing in my previous video, so if you can check it out, as you can see here that this is verification code that will basically verify the account. And after that, let's remove this MySQL status because I don't need it. And once it is done, let's write account or member name, member account name or member name. Let's check it out. Member account name. Alright, so this is fine. After that, let's write member email instead of writing account email. And this time is going to be member password. So basically what it does, it will apply all the credentials of the login, but I have just changed the tokens and the account name, email and password. So this will apply all the if statements and all the for loops that are present inside this login token that I have generated in the login functionality. So it will check this if statement will check for the admin account that is signed for the first time. But this if statement will check that whether the member is logged in or not. Alright, so all the functionality will be the same except these things that I have changed it here, and these are the things that I have set it up. Alright, so these are the things that I will set up again when the user will log in. So all the things are the same. After that, let's write another if statement here, and that will be if length of what you can say, if length of login token is not equal to 0 and or what you can say, or and length of member login token is not equal to 0, then in that case what I will do, I will write this. Alright, so if this member login token is empty or this one is empty, then in that case not equal to 0. Alright, so if this login token is filled with some kind of data, or this member login token is filled with some kind of data, then in that case it will give me the message that you are already logged in. So otherwise the process will be the same. It will check that whether the login token is empty or not. So if it is empty, then in that case it will allow me to log in. So let's check it out, save it, and after that here is one thing that I need to update it here. And as you can see here that this is the find account, so it will basically find the account from here. As you can see that this is the function in the find.go file, and this is finding the data from the signup table. So what I will do, I will change this find account and I will write find members, because this will find the data from the members account, from the members table. So I will just copy this function, and down here I will paste it here like this. So I will write find members like this. So previous one was find member, it was only finding the email, but this time it will find the password also. So let's write like this, and after that let's change the what you can say members, and where email and password is this. So I will change the string value from here also, I don't need it, and I will also change the what you can say query email password and the status. I'm not going to write the status because I don't need it. And once it is done, I will change this, remove the status from here also, and I will also remove the status from here also because I don't need it. Alright, so basically it will find the email and passwords from the member table where the email and password will be like this. So let's save this, and now let's apply this. As you can see here that this is giving me an error because I don't need this variable, so I will just remove it, and now this is not giving me an error. So let's save this again, and let's write go install Proctl status. So the user is logged in. So now what I will do, I will sign up because there is no data that is present here. All the data I have deleted from here. Alright, so let's write sign up. You can see that the sign up table does not exist. So what I will do, I will write vainstree@gmail.com, and password is this. Full name is vainstree, and account name is Vains, like this. So now you have successfully created an account. If I show you MySQL database, you will see that the data is inserted. So this is the admin account. So now if I shall write a Proctl status, you will see that the Vains is logged in. So after signing up, I am automatically logged in. So now what I will do, I will write invite space, invite mem, and I will write another email address, and this email address will be invited. So let's copy the press enter on this. Let's wait for some time. Go to the what you can see this. As you can see, the email is received for the member. So Vains has invited you to collaborate in this project. So this is a member invitation, the invitation from the member. So now let's clear this Proctl log out, and now if I type Proctl status, you will see that the user is logged out. Let's write Proctl check and give the email address that is invited. So I will write this email address. Now let's enter the verification code. Now you are successfully verified. If I show you, this is the members. As you can see that the member is verified. So let's empty this. Now you can see that is active or not. So it is not active. So maybe there is a problem maybe in it. Let's check it out. Let's go to the check.go file. Alright, so let's go to the set member because maybe on the set member it will verify this account maybe. So let's write set mem, and now this time I will write email address of the member, and then the password is 1122, and the account name is going to be Kaifa. So now you can see that the set member is giving me an error that the member table does not exist. So I don't know why this is giving me a problem. So I found the error, and the error is this. As you can see here that instead of writing members, I wrote the member. So I will update it. So let's save this and write go install, and once it is installed, I will just write the set mem again. As you can see, the member credentials are successfully updated. If I show you, you will see that these are the credentials that are updated here, like the member email address, this is the password, this is the account name. All right, so this is verified also. As you can see here that this is successfully verified. So now let's write Proctl. Once it is verified, what I will do, I will write Proctl status, and now you can see that the Kaifa is logged in. So previously Vains was logged in, but now it is the Kaifa is logged in. So I will write Proctl logout, and now basically this is done. And the problem is that I faced a problem, and I will show you the problem, but I will solve this in the next video. And that is, if I show you, let's write login again, email address with the previous admin email address. So you will see that it is giving me an error that it is not logging in. Why? So let's write this. As you can see that the user is logged out, although I have logged in with my email address and the password, but it is giving me the status that the user is logged out. So I need to solve this problem. Basically it is not solved yet. So this is the problem that may occur if you are working with multiple users like the members and the admins. So this problem is common. So I need to fix this problem so that a member can be logged in separately and the admin can be logged in separately. So but the member credentials are saved, and as you can see here that it can store multiple email addresses and multiple credentials. So let me just show it to you whether it is working or not also. So let's write Proctl. Now what you can say, log out. You are already logged out. All right, so let's write login, because I need to log in order to invite another member, but I'm not able to log in the veins tree, so I can't invite another member. So this is the problem that I'm going to solve. First of all, I will make it able to log in as an admin user, and then I will allow it to log in with another member. Like this one is Kaifa, the second one will be the another account email address that I will log in. So but first I'm not logging in as an admin user, so I will work on this in the next video. So let's write git update, git add, git commit m, what you can say, set the added multiple members functionality, like this. All right, so let's write git push origin master. So let's refresh this. As you can see that the code is now added into the GitHub repository. So I hope you understood this point and liked it. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.